Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, we will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called CustomSearch. The installer of this hijacker called CustomSearch may often be integrated with some freeware. So in many cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. They soon realize that this so-called custom search has affected their Google Chrome browser, and whenever users submit some search queries, they actually may get the results by some other fake search engines. Search engines that have not been chosen by users initially. If you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates, you need to access the control panel, of course, and then look for any suspicious programs if you find them here, including this so-called custom search. Right-click on it and then uninstall it. Also, we recommend that you additionally carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which will help you to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats from your system. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections fully and completely from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.